5 interesting space exploration facts. Fact number 1. The first living creature to orbit Earth was a dog named Laika, launched by the Soviet Union in 1957. Unfortunately, Laika died a few hours after the launch due to overheating caused by a malfunction in the spacecraft. Fact number 2. The largest volcano in the solar system is located on Mars, called Olympus Mons. It is 3 times taller than Mount Everest and covers an area about the size of the state of Arizona. Fact number 3. The International Space Station, ISS, is the largest man-made object in space and is about the size of a football field. It has been continuously inhabited since November 2000 and serves as a microgravity and space environment research laboratory. Fact number 4. Voyager 1, a space probe launched by NASA in 1977, has traveled farther than any other human-made object and is now in interstellar space, more than 14 billion miles away from Earth. Fact number 5. The universe is expanding, and the rate of expansion is accelerating. This was discovered by astronomers studying supernova and led to the discovery of dark energy, a mysterious force that is believed to be causing the acceleration. Thanks for watching Facts Tech. Subscribe our channel for latest update.